Hello all, welcome to our channel. Any kind of Facebook promotion, how to increase YouTube subscriber and views. So this logic is called increase YouTube subscriber and views. Always remember, subscriber increasing only based on your video content. So your very good content is there. If you have business, no need to worry about the subscriber. Only we are looking for business way. Suppose I'm a blogger, I'm a entrepreneur, I have to some looking for that. Then we can go option name is called increase your subscribers. Now coming to this, any particular Facebook page we adding will be YouTube option will be add to the particular option. So in this particular YouTube channel, how to adding on your Facebook page. That is called, I'm selecting one of the website name is called CCTV installation services. I'm selecting my page. First of all, there is a option will be called refresh. Here is that link will be added here. Next, when click this option, add another option name is called YouTube. So YouTube, what are the URL we have? Total URL accepted, maybe only for channel this one. Close it. Here is refresh. Done. Total channel accepted. This is the your channel will be added by your Facebook page about. When I click, what will happen? Channel will open. What is that? Increase the views and subscriber. If anybody interested. Next one, we have another option is there to adding your subscriber option. What is the option will be? If you go to my channel, if anybody click for subscribe option will be here. So how we show the notification to the customer can see this. The notification will be like this. We can use the particular option will be here. That will be use subscribe our channel like this. So that all future will be given by the in a Facebook option. That will be called subscribe. Using this in a final, what are we writing for? Question mark, sub underscore, confirmation is equal to 1. What will happen? This open for another tab. They show like this will be, is already subscribed our channel. So nothing will be shown by the notification. Suppose if incognito window, what will happen? They show some notification about the subscriber when you log in your account will be here like this. Is it clear? This is the important key point. So what we'll do when adding for your icon, if it is accepted after the end of your channel, this will be total 21 characters. See this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So total will be 24 characters. But up to will be 21. Now will be the 24 characters. After this one, copy this one. Get applicable. Close it. Refresh. What are the change you done? We can compulsory refresh will be here. So what will I can click? Right click, open incognito window. Reason it is working or not. Checking will be incognito window. Working or not? It is working will be good. Nothing but anybody click the link. They show you automatically pop-up option. Which one? Subscribe our channel. This is the profile update. Only one thing remember after channel question mark sub underscore confirmation is equal 1 to add your pop-up subscribe button purpose. Next, adding tab purpose fb app.us YouTube, add your page, select your page, add page tab, So when I'm clicking page tab, automatically they go to reflect to the Facebook page. This is my YouTube channel tab. That is called, you could go to the more option. Here is the YouTube. Automatically add is the tab. So what is that? We can go to this tab, change your channel names. What is your channel name? And what is the demo video? Add by your things. So scroll down here. First of all, we'll get this error. No need to worry about this error. Why? Because this is your not channel. So that's called you will get error. So what will happen? Click this channel ID. So channel ID nothing but all I remember 24 characters. That is the channel ID. Next one is called what is the future video? When people open your channel, what our demo video is there? That is called in here, which is our demo video is there. You can go for it particular demo video. So I'm using for demo video. Only ID you can add it. ID 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So this is ID you have to follow it will be, but they will be only for 11 characters ID will be here. Next after the image not required. Magic link nothing but your FB link. Here we can add in for your particular website link. So will be not change. This will be fixed. At least will be start 30 days. Here is that autoplay. Load more videos. Click for setting. Then you have everything. They display by your YouTube shorts. What are the videos? Automatically we can upload it here. So when you upload a YouTube channel, you may reflect by your Facebook page option. There are fraction of seconds. They reflect by here. Is it clear? So this is the add your tab on your particular Facebook page option. After tab will be added, you have to do one simple task. Go back to your page. Click more option. Edit tab is there. Just move on to your front. So order some issue is there. Order purpose. So order will be default. We can't change. So the reason we can go with. They will update it here. Not worry. So everything will be can show will be here. Is it clear? YouTube and Instagram. Is it clear? Just move on very slow and your tab automatically will update it. So that's right now simply the update will be here. So what are the tabs you have? Simple. Done. So which tab is not required? Please unselect it. Shop not required. Offer not required. Right now. Guide not required. Is it clear? This will be added your particular option. Is it clear? This is the method you have to follow on your Facebook page. Add your particular tabs option. So any further question, you can contact my channel and definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.